Only 30 seconds to reject your portfolio. Common mistake designers should avoid to make the first cut in UX hiring. I did not make that number up. I was probably too generous. Generous. How to
Generous.
generous. Generous. It even lower. Some source suggest su-
Suggest.
suggest 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 that recruiter and hiring manager spend around 6 seconds reviewing job application from candidates after how after house after how you invest in writing and polishing polishing
Polishing.
polishing your case study you get dismiss you get
Dismissed.
dismissed in mere second
Mere seconds.
mere second mere second. Okay, let's repeat again. I did not make that number up. I was probably too generous for
Generous.
generous gener
Generous.
generous
Generous.
generous
Generous.
generous. It even lower some source suggests that recruiters and hiring managers spend around 6 seconds reviewing job application from candidate. After hours you invest in writing and polish your case studies, you get them in mere second. That harsh but the reality when reviewing designer job application portfolio are equally important to resume. That's why the number of second until first cut is higher higher
Higher.
higher higher. Still, a designer manager can only the dedicate dedicate
Dedicate.
dedicate 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 a small amount of time to a candidate
Candidate.
candidate and their portfolio. That's hard but reality when refined designer job application portfolio equally important resume. That's why number of second first got higher. Still a designer manager can only dedicate a small small
Amount.
amount amount of time to candidate and their portfolio. Still, a designer manager can only dedicate a small amount of time to a candidate and their portfolio. Try to put yourself in their shoes. They're bu- they're busy. They're busy.
Busy.
They're busy running strategic design ini- initiative
Initiatives.
initiative initiative managing managing stakeholder and their designer and have their calendar filled with meeting on the on top top of that they have to dedicate some of their time to go through thousand portfolio and That number is not
exaggerated,
exa
exaggerated,
exa
exaggerated,
exaggerated
exaggerated,
exa
exaggerated,
exaggerated
exaggerated, exaggerated,
exaggerated. Is iya tambah susah.
exaggerated,
Exaggerated
exaggerated,
exaggerated
exaggerated, exaggerated, exaggerated,
exaggerated hmm Try put yourself in their shoe. They are busy running strategy design managing managing stakeholder and their designer, and have their calendar filled with meeting. On top of that, they have dedicated some of their time to go through thous- thousand of portfolio. That number is not exaggerated. Exa, exaggerate,
exaggerated, exaggerated, exaggerated,
exaggerated, exaggerated, exaggerated,
exaggerated,
exaggerated, exaggerated, exaggerate, exaggerated. When I work at big tech company, we receive a couple of hundred applications a week. It's most the design manager were tasked to come through them. To be efficient, this design manager start to recognize pattern of rejectable portfolio. They don't have the number option to eliminate the worst section. What are the main problem I want to discuss today? Your current portfolio is not real this
depiction,
depiction of you as designer. You make mistake because of you don't know better, even because you were talk talk
taught,
talk
taught,
talk 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 or maybe you don't recognize the importance of what impression your portfolio makes, and the higher
higher,
higher your seniority, the quicker your portfolio be rejected. When incurring some of mistake, you don't make that 30-second cut. It's simple. The higher the seniority, the higher the expectation, and the heavier the weight of this mistake. The common portfolio and study case study make mistake that get you rejected immediately. I write this comment a recommendation in the first person. So it's easier to imagine they are coming from a designer manager reviewing your portfolio. Quality issues. I will straight to the point. Quality issues for designer portfolio are smash image that can be zoom, pixel image, and grammatical mistake. Here the example for case study I recent view. Here I did some small image alter way that actually how was case study. It's not like care no attention to detail that lead the designer include image. I don't know, frankly, I don't care when you have 98 other for you to review this alone enough to reject a candidate. There's some guys the spelling and grammatical mistake. There are so many tools available this day. Improve your writing before you hit publish button. Check it with spell grammarly and spelling mistake. You won't get reject, but many mistake indicate lack attention to detail, which huge turn off for designer. Generic and boring titles. The title case study is best changed to grab my attention. But what the most of the genre do, they use the project name or company name for title. At best, they include the specific thing they're working on, like company name boarding, company name onboarding. This a huge missed opportunity. You title most description and tell the story in single sentence. More important, more importantly, it should captivate captivate the reader and get their attention. You can use the following format to do that. How I blah 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 to describe the result and describe the better outcome. How I blah 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 to blah 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 and this and blah blah blah. Here the two example method. How I run design sprint to a chat and improve customer service score. How a design sprint I facilitate and company is good. Wait. I want to maybe I want to post. Okay. And here two example metrical how I run a design sprint to redesign a chat feature and improve the customer satisfaction score by 20%. Outcome focus or based on outcome. How a design sprint I facilitated company X communication value UX and establish more collaborative and holistic design process. Metric and outcome seal. Fail to capture reader attention. Imagine the first sentence and case study following. The goal of this project was to help to reduce error made during the manual configuration of leasing product. Interest in what case study about? No, neither am I. Now imagine this the first sentence UX research insight can undermine designer. It's simple fact the statement, but they makes you wonder how can research undermine designer? Isn't UX research good? This why you read this case study but not the one before. Here how you can do at this case study. Oke, menurut saya ini udah kepanjangan ya. Kalau misalnya saya baca-baca emang terbata-bata ya. Masih mencari gimana metode yang tepat kayak kalau misalnya saya kayaknya baca satu paragraf lalu saya simpulkan memang jadi kelamaan, tapi kayaknya itu yang lebih utama karena kadang saya membaca itu tapi saya tidak memahami dulu kan apa yang saya baca. Oke, untuk selanjutnya mungkin saya akan sambil mengartikan apa per paragraf gitu ya. Oke, a hook or narrative hook in literary technique of creating an and apa nih? Menarik.
enticing,
Enticing beginning. The very first line or opening story design capture reader interest. Oke, di sini jelaskan dari berdasarkan paragraf yang dari sebelumnya itu eh apa ya? Saya kurang nangkap sih. eh oh ini. Jadi kalau misalnya ada penjelasan di bawahnya itu kan biasanya mungkin ada penjelasannya. Jangan sampai yang hook apa kalau misalnya dalam dalam misalnya TikTok pun atau apa ada hooknya ada yang misalnya kalimat di awalnya itu jangan sampai membuat orang-orang pembaca terutama UX research-nya itu kan jadi mereka atau kalau di sini kasusnya UX research apa ya tadi itu tadi istilahnya itu UX eh attention mana sih tadi oh mm, 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 mm. Coba kita cari kata kunci UX. Oke, tadi oh. Hmm, design manager lah ini namanya ya. Jadi tadi itu mana? Jadi jangan sampai design manajernya itu ini dari quotes-nya tertentu sih. Seseorang masterclass-nya. Jadi, literally tekniknya itu untuk membuat sebuah hal yang menarik di awal. Jadi dia menjelaskan tentang apa itu hook-nya, apa naratif hook, eee opening story. Nah, di awal-awalnya story apa, design to capture reader interest. Oke, itu hanya pengertiannya. Oke, kita lanjut. Captivating, captivating,
captivating,
captivating artikel use hook. Jadi semua captivating, semua semua artikel yang semua artikel yang menarik apa sih ini? Semua artikel yang bagus itu menggunakan hook. Can you spot it in this article? Is the title and first sentence. I did make that number up. Is another hook. Jadi hooknya ada dua di sini. In the form of statement that reinforce gimana sih ini memperkuat,
reinforces,
reinforces. I won't go into detail. There are a lot of good advice a link before. Oke, jadi ini ada case-nya, case study-nya ya. Hook. Jadi mungkin di sini ya. Saya edit nasi. Oke, hook. Nanti. Oke, oke. See, at least I wrote in my blog. Okay. I didn't make that number up. It's another hook. The form statement and reinforce
reinforces,
reinforces. I won't go into detail on this. There are a lot good advice article I link above. The point I want to get across here need pay extra attention to the first sentence of your case study. Don't just write something. Think hard about what the sentence should be captivate to the reader. If you show that you can captivate an uh, an audience in writing report about your work, it shows that can do real life when you communicate design decision. Alright, this is maybe 25 progress I read, and maybe I need to improve. So next video, uh, I will continue this. Before that, I want to explain again about this article. This two two paragraph. Um, every all captivating article always use hook. Maybe always for the reader uh, to pay and can pay attention for the article. So this for portfolio before the first he writing in the title and the first sentence, then another hook for another hook is for the uh, make that artikel, the make the untuk membuat artikelnya itu lebih kuat gitu kan. So uh, so this so in this uh, he said the link to the article there. Okay. Next, the next paragraph. If if you show that you can captive an audience written report about your work, it show that you really love when you have. Okay, this is to so the conclusion. Use the hook is make you more good communicator for the design manager can hire you. Okay, thank you. The next time I will maybe full English and writing in my malas coding. This is my learning journey, day one. Thank you.